In this TRC Power Spotlight, we will introduce TRACO Power's TBLC DIN rail power supply series. This is a superb industrial grade power supply, and if you watch this video, you will learn the benefits of using the TBLC series. Ladies and gentlemen, before we begin, if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel. You don't want to miss out on all the newest power supply solutions from TRC. The TBLC series is an outstanding DIN rail power supply for your low power installations. There are 6 nominal power ranges. We offer 6, 15, 25, 50, 75, and 90 watts. These DIN rail power supplies accept a universal input range of 85 to 264 volts AC. The TBLC series features a low profile case. When clipped onto a DIN rail, the power supply only extends out 55 millimeters. These TBLC DIN rail power supplies are really ideal for your low profile installations. TRACO Power's TBLC DIN rail power supplies provide a number of standard features. To protect your system and the power supply, the TBLC is equipped with short circuit and overload protection. An easily accessible potentiometer allows you to adjust the DC output voltage at installation. The DC OK LED indicator delivers a visual indication that the power supply is providing DC output. The low standby power of these DIN rail power supplies reduces the amount of power the TBLC uses during no load conditions. The operating range of these power supplies is minus 25 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius. Derating begins at plus 55 degrees Celsius. Not only are the TBLC DIN rail power supplies UL recognized for ITE, the TBLC are also UL 508 listed for industrial control equipment. Additionally, most models are NEC Class 2. These DIN rail power supplies are superior quality and supported with a TRACO Power 3-year warranty. All models are in stock and ready to ship to you from TRC today. If your system calls for a low-profile DIN rail power supply between 6 and 90 watts, TRACO Power's TBLC is your DIN rail solution. You can't afford to waste any of your engineering time, so when you are searching for an ideal power supply for your application, give our office a call. We will eliminate the complexities of selecting and purchasing your next power supply.